Welcome back. This is the 7th video in the series, Getting to Know Cimatron NC. Today I'll be discussing the Pocket Manager and Volume Pocket. The Pocket Manager was introduced in version 13. It streamlines the process of pocket machining by identifying pockets to be machined. I'll start in a core plate with 8 main pockets and 32 cam pockets. I've created an NC setup and defined the part in stock. I've also created a 3-axis toolpath. Start by launching the Pocket Manager from the left. Select all visible faces and click the green check. Notice the system recognized both open and closed pockets. Check the Show Pockets from table opens the pocket table. It presents the pockets and it may be used to sort them. For now, we're done here. Next, create a volume milling volume pocket procedure. Select the pockets to be machined. You may select them on the screen or from the pocket table. Select all displayed pockets, or if you prefer to group pockets in separate procedures, select them individually. It's important to verify Part Safe is set to active. Select the cutter. Adjust the motion parameters and surface offsets. Go ahead and calculate. Create another procedure with a smaller tool. Then create a procedure and adjust the surface offset to finish all of the floors together. So that brings us to finishing the walls of the pocket. We could finish all of the pockets in the same procedure, but that would tie them all together. Create a new procedure. Surface mill, finish mill all by layers. Select the 8 main pockets. I like to filter by depth. Then adjust the wall offset to 0 and calculate the pockets. Be sure to set the procedure to hit flats. Notice the finish mill all only machined the walls and didn't machine any air between. Next, simulate the toolpath and notice the largest cutter roughs all of the pockets, then the smaller ones only re-rough the remaining stock before finishing all of the floors. The user may choose to watch the simulation or only verify the results to save time. Notice the results of the stock analysis. So let's go back to finishing the slide pockets. I'm going to open the Pocket Manager and use the function Expand Pocket to change the configuration of the slide pockets. The system grouped each GIB pocket separate from its slide pocket, and I'd like to finish the first level all the way around and then complete the lower level of the slide pocket. By carefully selecting all of the slides and GIB pockets, the function easily groups each neighboring pocket to be used for finishing. Create a surface finish mill all by layers and select the expanded pockets. I filtered out original source pockets to make selection easier. Notice in the Pocket Manager the results of the expanded pocket function. The upper area of the slide pocket is recognized as a pocket, and the lower wear plate pocket is divided out by depth. Using Cimatron's new Pocket Manager and Volume Pocket procedures reduce the time required to complete plate machining. When paired with templates, the overall process can simplify and streamline plate machining to a semi-automatic level, leveraging past work to speed up the most unique and complex jobs. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Join me next time for Templating for Success.